Let me ask you something directly, is that if you're learning Python right now or you are already working as a Python developer, have you ever thought is that will AI take my job in future? I know you have once. Because in the last 3 months, the question has been searched millions of time in India alone via Google, via AI, all these things. And everyone online is giving you one of the two answer is that Python is completely dead or everything is totally fine. These are the two commonly answer which I have listened from Google or people says that both of these answers are completely wrong. And in this video, I am giving you the real answer with two twists that nobody else has talked about honestly. Stay till end because the twist number two has changed how I think about Python career completely. Hello, I am Saksham Jog. This channel is about real careers, real skills, and the honest truth about AI and your future. Quick note before you start, I made a video recently about Java developers. So today we are going to the same thing for Python, but with some findings that genuinely surprise even me. Let's get started about it. That if I talk about the section one, is that the fear is completely valid. Let's start. I will be just be too honest. Is that the fear Python developers are feeling right now is not irrational. It is based on real things happening right now. GitHub Copilot can write Python scripts in seconds. ChatGPT can debug Python errors faster than most junior developers. Claude can take a plain English description of a problem and produce working Python codes in just under 30 seconds. Amazon Code Whisperer suggests entire Python functions before you finish typing the first line, and the companies are noticing. In the last 18 months, junior Python developers hiring dropped significantly across Indian IT companies. Not because Python is dying, not because is that one experienced Python developer with AI tools now deliver what used to need three junior developers. The math is simple for companies is that hire one senior people, give them AI, save two other salaries. So yes, something real is happening right now, but here is what everyone gets it wrong. And this is the twist number one is that Python is not dying. If I talk about two honest is that after 2 weeks of research of me doing that, reading reports, studying hiring data, looking at what companies are actually paying for, I found one thing that nobody is saying clearly enough is that Python is not dying. Python is actually more in demand than ever before. Here is why is that every single AI tool that is replacing developers is built on Python. If I talk about the chat GPT, it is completely based on Python. Every machine learning model is completely based on Python. Data science pipeline is completely based on Python. Every AI agent and automation tool, it is based on Python. And the AI revolution did not kill Python. It made Python the most important language on the planet. LinkedIn India right now over 1.2 lakh active Python developer job postings. And average salary for Python developer with 3 years of experience is about 10 to 22 lakh per year. And if you are senior Python developer specializing in AI and machine learning, it will be around 30 to 50 60 lakhs per year, and these numbers went up not down in the last 2 years. So the question is not is Python dying, the question is actually is that what kind of Python developer are you, because that restriction is everything right now. If I talk about the section 2 is that who is actually at risk, let me be more specific about it, that because vague warnings doesn't help anybody. The Python developers generally at risk right now is that are not the ones who lack talent. They are the ones doing this kind of work is that writing basic scripts that follow the same pattern every time. AI does this better, faster, without complaining, without mistakes. Number two is that copying solutions from Stack Overflow without understanding them. AI does this too and explain why the solution works is that very clearly. Number three is that building simple current applications with no complex logic. Any decent AI tools handle this in minutes. This is more reliable for the persons who are hiring as well. Number four is that writing data cleaning scripts that follow standard formats, automated completely is that. If you are entire Python work can be described as follow this template, repeat these steps, produce this output, that work is at risk, high risk. Not you personally, the work, and here is the important distinction is that the work being automated is that was never the work that paid the highest salaries anyways, because the developers who are thriving is that they were never doing the work to begin with. Number two twist is that I was talking in beginning is that the real threat is not AI. The number two twist is that okay, I promised you two twist. Here's the second one is that, and this is the uncomfortable one. The real threat to Python developers in India, it is not AI, it is the Python developer who are using AI. Picture these two Python developers, same college, same skill, same years of experience applying for the same job. A developer A works the traditional way, take 3 days to build a feature and developer B uses GitHub Copilot, uses Claude, uses ChatGPT for debugging, builds the same feature in 6 hours, where developer A takes the 3 days. Better code, fewer bugs, more documentation, same salary expectation, but developer B delivers 4 times the output. Then the question is that who gets hired, who gets promoted, who gets the 25 lakh offer? Developer A did not lose to AI, developer A lose to developer B. And this is happening right now in India, is that in every startup, every IT company, every product team across India, the Python developers are losing opportunities, are not being replaced by machine. They are being replaced by their own colleagues who woke up 6 months earlier. This is the real truth. Nobody is telling you is that. Section 3 is that the Python developers AI can't touch. Now let me tell you exactly is that what type of Python developer is completely safe in India, is that not just safe, the massive demands. The ML, the machine learning and AI engineering. Python developers who build machine learning models, train AI systems, and work with framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face. And the most hired people in India right now is that salary is starting at 15 lakh for freshers with the right skills. And if you are having a senior roles, the package goes to 50 to 80 lakhs. The data scientist who tells stories, not just someone who runs models, but someone who understands the businesses, asks for the right questions, explains complex data insights to non-technical leadership. AI runs some models. Human explain what they mean. That combination is irreplaceable. Number three is that the Python architect. Developers who design entire system, microservices, API architecture, scalable backends. These decisions require understanding businesses logic, user behavior, and technical constraints all at once. AI can't make these decisions. It make a human brain with full context. The AI number four is that AI tool builder. Python developer who build the actual AI tools companies are using, is that automation scripts, AI agents, custom GPT for workflows. This role barely exists 3 years ago. Right now, companies are hunting for people with this skill. And finding very few is that if you are building yourself into any of these four, you are not just safe, you are exactly what the market is desperate for. Action plan is that what you have to do right now. अभी तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए is that कि तुम्हें अभी 3 steps follow करना चाहिए. Now you have to follow these 3 steps. Is that step one is that add AI tools to your daily Python workflows immediately. If you are learning Python and if you are having a master class of Python, you have to be ensure to that. GitHub Copilot for code suggestions, Claude for debugging and code reviews, ChatGPT for understanding complex concepts faster. Developer using these tools are completing work 40 to 60% faster than you other colleagues that are not using AI. Your manager will notice. Your next appraisal will notice. Start to Step 2 is that pick one specialization and go deep. Machine learning, data science, AI engineering, backend architecture, not all for only one. Spend the next 90 days going genuinely deeply, not surface level YouTube tutorials. Build real projects, deploy them, put them on GitHub. One strong specialization makes you significantly harder to replace than 10 average skills. Number 3 is that build one AI integrated Python project this month, something that combines Python with an AI API, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. Build a tool that solves a real problem, put it on GitHub, write about it on LinkedIn. This single project can add 3 to 8 lakhs to your next salary negotiation, because companies are desperately looking for Python developers who understand AI and finding very few who actually do. Let's get to end of this video. Is that the most powerful is that two groups of Python developers exist now right now. Is that group one is that heard about AI taking over, got scared, did nothing about it, kept working the same way, and 6 months from now will be wondering why opportunities are going to other people. Group two is that heard about AI taking over, got curious instead of scared, pick up one AI tool, build one real project, posted on LinkedIn, GitHub, took one step, and 6 months from now will be the person other developers are wondering about. You've spent 10 minutes of watching this video that already puts you in group 2, but watching is not enough. That's that the step has to come after. Is that take it today? Drop a comment below. Are you a Python developer right now, or a student you are learning Python? Tell me where you are. I read and reply to every single comment. Share this with every Python developer you know. Subscribe, because next week we are going more deeper. See you there. Thank you so much.